Go.
Hi guys, what we're gonna need for this project is one reusable bag, some cold alcohol, try to use as high proof as possible, half cup of water, some dish soap my mom gave me, some Himalaya salt, some sticks or some coffee stirrers, coffee filters, 2 red Solo cups, and some strawberries. Alrighty, let's get it. Alright, the whole purpose of extracting DNA from the strawberries, since strawberries are so ripe and they're an excellent source to extract DNA, they're very easy to pulverize and they contain several enzymes that help it break down to its chromosomes, and they contain a lot of DNA to isolate. That's why this is an easy project to kind of do, and that's why I kind of chose it. It's easy for me to do, and it's going to be an easy way to show you, like, just because we talked about DNA earlier throughout the semester, and we continue talking about DNA throughout this class. So I want to show you like an example of pulling out DNA from strawberry itself, which could be representative of taking out DNA from an actual human being. For step 1, you're going to take the green leaves off the strawberry, and then you're going to throw 2 strawberries in the plastic bag. Alright, for step 2, since we already have the strawberries in the bag, this is where you go all full Mike Tyson mode, and you kind of start off with a punch, and you just like break it down, and you just smush it, smush it, smush it, smush it, and 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 once again you want to smush it, and again, smush it. You want to know why you do this? Is because you want to break it down. So by breaking it down, you want to just keep smushing it. That's step 2. For step 3, you want to bring out the cup, one of the cups. You want to take 1 teaspoon of the salt. I'm going to use Himalaya salt. Throw it right in the cup. Put it aside. For the dish soap, you want to take 2 teaspoons. Grab her right there. Throw her right in there. Grab another one of them. Throw her right in there again. Solid. You want to get that half cup of water. I'm using tap water. Throw her right in the cup as well. Voila. Step 3. Alright, for step 4, what we did in step 3 pretty much is we made the DNA extraction liquid. And then for step 4, you want to add 2 teaspoons of that extraction liquid into the crushed up Mike Tyson strawberries. There's one of them. I want that soapy foaminess, I want that water. Here's that second one of that extraction liquid, that good. That was my dog's doggy toy. Well, actually my buddy's dog. Just gonna ignore it and keep it going. And that's step 4. We added that extraction liquid into the strawberries, and we're gonna let it do its thing. All right, for step 5, I'm gonna actually, if you take a closer look, you see those like soapy bubbles. You kind of just like want to like reseal the bag. I'll like just move it around, smush it again for like, I would say about like another minute. I just mess with it. I wouldn't go full Mike Tyson mode on this one because it'd be bad. Kind of already messed up already. You want to just take out soap. Like, you know, just do your thing. Eventually, the bubbles will start to simmer down. And you'll catch us in the middle of our lab. We're about halfway done. All right, for step 6, we're actually gonna do 6 and 7 together. For step 6, you kind of just want to put a coffee filter on top of the cup. And then for step 7, you're actually gonna take what is left in the bag, throw that on the on the coffee filter right there. That was not as well. It's okay, it happens. You could just raise it up, kind of like fix it if you just did it as bad as me. Let me tell you, I'm not a scientist, but I try so hard to be one. Kind of just want to squeeze out what's left in there and let it just wait and drip. Let it drip right there. Look at it drip. All right, now we're on step 8. So you want to take half a cup of rubbing alcohol. Actually, you want to have cold rubbing alcohol. I just want to throw her in there as well. You want to just let it chill for a couple minutes. It's gonna kind of like come out somewhat cloudy and stuff, and that's where the DNA will start creating, and you could just pull it out. For step 9, you can see the cloudiness, and that cloudiness is the DNA. All right, step 10, you want to just grab your wooden utensil. Ew. But that right there is DNA. Some cloudy DNA.